My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Here we have the 2019 Volkswagen Arteon R-Line Edition. This vehicle has done just over 58,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and to the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. Moving on to our touchscreen, using the buttons on the left, we can access our radio, media, smartphone integration and voice control. On the right we have navigation, Apple, Android and MirrorLink, our vehicle settings and menu. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with Park Pilot. Just below the screen we have our dual zone climate control, as well as heated seats on either side. If we press our mode button, we can switch between our 5 different driving modes, which include comfort, normal, sport, individual and eco. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.